Hello guys, Mr. Zabes here. Previously I installed the Windows and by default the Windows loads and not the actual GRUB. So let me restore that. So let me first try in the boot menu from the BIOS. You can actually select, instead of starting the Windows, you can select Debian. But we'll see, will I be able to restore it? I think I need just try to run maybe update GRUB, and I need DC default GRUB. So disable this here. So disable was probably false, so to have it enabled. And running update. Okay, it sees the Windows, but will it work properly? Okay, let's try to reboot and see. Will it boot to the GRUB or? No, it's actually loading Windows. It's not what I wanted. I can also load from here the Windows, but the GRUB is not loading by default. Maybe I have to reinstall the GRUB or something. P1, partition 1, okay, install. No error reported. Date GRUB. Okay, cool. What happens now? And he's back. So by default now the GRUB is loading, and I can just select Windows if I want to. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys.